Namaste, myself Riddhi Jitesh Gala, studying in standard 11th in Brihan Maharashtra College of Commerce, Pune, Maharashtra. An enduring emblem of history, beauty, and residence, the Aga Khan Palace. This palace is now in Kalyani Nagar, Pune. In the heart of Pune lies historical and architectural piece of heaven called Aga Khan Palace. Built in 1892 by Sultan Muhammad Shah Aga Khan III. This palace was an act of charity by the spiritual leader of the Nizari Ismaili Muslims, that is, Muhammad Shah Aga Khan III, to provide employment to famine-ridden people of Pune and its surrounding areas. This palace gave employment to thousands of people residing in that area with high value wages. This heavenly and majestic structure is spread over 19 acres that combines a blend of Islamic, Italian, and European architectural styles. Its large halls, wide verandas, detailed architecture, and serene greenery reflects ageless refinement and classic sophistication. This palace took 5 years to be built and cost 12 lakhs, and let me tell you that 12 lakhs was a massive amount at that time. This celestial palace played an important role in India's freedom struggle. It also gained historical value during India's fight for independence. After Gandhiji launched Quit India movement in 1942, Mahatma Gandhi, his wife Kasturba Gandhi, Mahadev Desai, Sarojini Naidu, and Meera Devi were imprisoned here by the British. Britishers made this palace a prison. These leaders were imprisoned here for 21 months, that is 9th August 1942 to 6th May 1944. Sorrowful incident unfolded during this time. Kasturba Gandhi passed away in 1944, followed by Mahadev Desai, who was Gandhiji's trusted secretary and friend. Samadhis of Kasturba Gandhi was made by Gandhiji's own hands at that time, but now it is well structured. Their samadhis now stand in the palace gardens as a symbol of sacrifice. After India gained independence, the Aga Khan Palace continued to uphold its legacy of service and charity. In 1969, Prince Karim Aga Khan IV donated this palace to the government of India as a mark of reverence of Gandhiji and his beliefs. Today, this palace is headquarters for Gandhi National Memorial Society. It serves as a museum showcasing Gandhiji's simplicity in Aga Khan Palace. On display, as we can see some wooden spoons, forks, few bowls, and a cotton thread spun by his own hands. There was also a garland for his grandson's wedding, and as expected, it was made of khadi. In this museum, Gandhi's personal belongings, photographs, and letters are displayed, revealing the story of his life and the principles he upheld. Sarojini Naidu was also imprisoned here in Aga Khan Palace for about 7 months. When she fell very ill, she was released on 19th March 1943. Today, there is a library dedicated to Sarojini Naidu in the palace. The library has great and ancient knowledge in that one small room. In 2003, Aga Khan Palace was recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a true reflection of its historical and cultural worth. It stands not only as a symbol of India's freedom struggle, but also as a shining example of hope, endurance, and selflessness. As you enjoy the calm gardens or admire the palace's beauty, Aga Khan Palace reminds of the lasting power of kindness, unity, simplicity, and justice. Dhanyavad.